I would like to show you a couple of emergency landings that prove the flat Earth, and it is really difficult to hide it. So let's look at this. And the first one is the Cathay Pacific flight from Hong Kong to Los Angeles, and that landed at the Erickson Air Station in Shemya Island, Alaska. So let's look at this, shall we, on the map as we know it. So the map as we know it, the globe map, Hong Kong to Los Angeles, that straight line basically over the ocean. Now, if you look at this, this is where the Erickson Air Station is, right here. And Hawaii is the island right underneath. Now, both towns, Hong Kong and Los Angeles, have a hot climate. And so why didn't they go to Hawaii rather than going to Alaska, going up north? That doesn't make sense. So why didn't just go further on and reach Los Angeles? That makes no sense. Except if you look at the flat Earth map. Here is Hong Kong, and here is Los Angeles, and Hawaii is way further, so it's not even on the way, but Alaska, the Erickson Air Station, is. So how do you want to explain this to me, that the globe Earth is still true, while the emergency landing proves that they landed in Alaska? Well, you can check the links if you want to. These are valid links. I saved them as well in PDF, but you can see that these are all true news, what I'm saying. Here you can see Hong Kong to Los Angeles and landing in Alaska. The Erickson Air Station is Shemya, Alaska. All right, that's the first one. It's going to be painful. The next one, China Airlines flight landed in Alaska again because there was an expectant mother. The flight started in Taiwan and was flying to Los Angeles and had to make an emergency landing in the Ted Stevens Anchorage Airport in Alaska. So let's look at this, right? This is the map as we know it. Taiwan to Los Angeles. Again, Hawaii would have been closer, but again, they chose to go to Alaska. Again, the climate wouldn't reason it to go up to Alaska to this cold climate, but they still went up there. Does it make sense that you go straight through the ocean and make an emergency exit up north? That makes no sense. People question this. And if you look at the flat Earth map, you will see that Taiwan is here. The Ted Stevens Anchorage International Airport, Alaska, is somewhere here, and Los Angeles is here. It's right on the way. Okay, and I'm going to show you again. Here are all the links. You can check it out yourself until it's still up there, until they are not going to take it down. There you go. This is a real news on the Daily Mail. The Taiwan to Los Angeles flight. And as you can see, the China Airlines, they landed in Alaska. And you can see it in detail. They even made a video about giving birth of the child. And so it's not made up. It's right there. You can read it yourself and prove it. How does it make sense on a globe Earth? It makes no sense whatsoever. Now let's look at the third one I found. Probably there are more. There was an incident, a young Italian girl died on a flight to Germany, and they made an emergency landing. Okay, the flight was from Shanghai, China to Munich, Germany. And they made an emergency landing in Yemelyanov International Airport in Krasnoyarsk, Russia. Okay, let's look at the map. So, Shanghai to Munich, going over China, probably Kazakhstan and Uzbekistan, and I don't know what country this is. I can't see it on the map, and I don't remember. Ukraine, maybe Hungary, what is this? Probably Slovakia, then Austria, and Germany. Okay, but they made an emergency exit here, up north again, airport in Krasnoyarsk, Russia. How does it make sense? Well, it doesn't unless you look at the flat earth map and you see the Shanghai, China, and Krasnoyarsk, Russia, and Munich, Germany are on the same line. So again, they made emergency exit on the way, of course. It makes sense. So I would like you to question things and look at these evidences. This is a clear proof. Again, I'm going to open it for you. You can see this is real news. I'm not making this up. And there you go, a young Italian girl. I quoted everything that was here. The international airport, Krasnoyarsk, Russia, and Shanghai, China to Munich, emergency exit. You can read the whole thing if you want to. Read it until they take this down. So again, 3 emergency landing proof for the flat earth. Please understand this. This is the truth, and don't accept the lie, the fairy tale of science, religion.